Your attention span didn't die, it was kidnapped, and the ransom is your time, energy, and peace. Here's the part nobody talks about. Your brain still knows how to focus. It just forgot the path. Stay with me because I am going to give you 6 psychology backed steps to rebuild your attention span. And the last one is bonus. Like the extra banana you get when you buy a dozen. I am Hashmi. I have spent 10 years writing and studying human behavior, especially focus and attachment. Let's train your brain together. Today, you will learn how to make your brain focus without forcing it. Why your environment is secretly controlling your attention. 6 steps that rebuild your focus from the ground up. And a simple trick that multiplies attention like magic. Watch till the end. I promise your brain will thank you. Here's something wild. Most people try to be more focused while sitting in the most distracting environment possible. You cannot meditate at a rock concert, and you cannot focus in a noisy digital world. Do this first. Put your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Close extra tabs. Clear your desk. Choose only one screen. Lower background noise. Your brain becomes calm when the room becomes calm. The brain loves patterns. It loves signals. It loves cues. Do a teeny ritual before every focus session. Light a candle. Sip a tea. Put on your focus playlist. Sit in the same chair. Stretch for 5 seconds. Open a specific book. These cues tell your mind, hey, it's go time. It's like Pavlov's dog, but with productivity instead of drawl. People lose focus not because they are weak, but because the task has no emotional meaning. Before you start anything, ask, why does this matter? Who benefits if I complete this? Write it on a sticky note. Keep it visible. The brain pays more attention when something feels important. Meaning becomes your anchor. It keeps the mind from drifting. Now that your environment is clean, your ritual is set, and your meaning is clear, now you discover your baseline. Start a timer. Focus on one task. The moment you feel like checking your phone, stop the timer. That number, 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 12 minutes, is your focus fitness score. Just like gym, you start small, build slowly, grow with consistency. The brain works in 90-minute cycles. After that, focus drops fast. Don't fight it. Take short breaks. Walk, stretch, hydrate, breathe. A 10 to 15 minute walk without your phone resets your attention like restarting a laggy computer. Breaks are not failure. Breaks are fuel. Here is your extra banana. The bonus step no one talks about. Single task stacking. Do small tasks one by one in a row without switching lanes. For example, wash a cup, write one sentence, read one page, stretch 10 seconds, send one message, write another sentence. Your brain gains momentum. It stops jumping around. It stays in one lane longer. This is the one of the fastest ways to grow your attention span because your mind learns to stay on a single track. If this is helping, hit like. If you don't, hit like anyway, or the brain goblins will steal your focus tonight. Comment focus if this makes sense. Which step would boost your focus the most if you started today? Environment, ritual, meaning, baseline, breaks, single task stacking. Your answer tells you exactly where your attention is leaking. And stay till the end. I will tie this back to the hook you heard at the start. Let's recap. Your environment shapes your brain. Rituals turn on deep focus. Meaning gives motivation. Baseline shows where you stand. Breaks reset your attention. Single task stacking builds momentum. Remember the opening line. Your attention is not dead. It was kidnapped. Now you have the tools to take it back. Use these steps daily and your focus will feel brand new. If you want more psychology based mind training videos, hit subscribe and tell me in the comments if you want the next video on how to make your brain learn faster.